Canary Island has undergone months of recovery from the natural catastrophe, which has consequences of all kinds for the local families. In a context of slow reconstruction of infrastructure and housing, and the distribution of aid previously announced by the state and regional governments, the local evangelical churches have been involved in the recovery process in a committed and creative way, expanding their scope of action and even creating a system of microcredits for small businesses or distributing coupons to families for fuel. Furthermore, there have also been unique opportunities to share Jesus, and people now appreciate us because we not only help them materially, but we listen to them, points out Josué Santana, pastoral worker at the Evangelical Baptist Church of La Palma. Currently in La Palma we are in a time of reconstruction and trying to get back to normality, or something close to normality. In the urban centers the ashes were removed a long time ago and people have returned to their routine, but in the area around the volcano, there are still tons of ashes and pyroclasts accumulated and houses buried. The authorities have set up a plan to remove them and have hired many people from the island to do it, but it is so much work that they cannot cope with it. Until recently, groups of volunteers came to help families remove ashes from properties to start rebuilding or repairing their homes, but it is going to be a slow process. Right now, the authorities are focusing on reopening the main roads that were cut by the lava. Many residents have been able to return to their homes, which the lava did not touch. Others can return to clean and repair, and only in the coastal area of La Bombilla and Puerto Neas the access to homes is not allowed due to the emission of toxic gases. On the other hand, there are still around 500 people staying in hotels because it is impossible to find them a housing solution on the island, and they are waiting for the government to build new houses, or to buy and rent already built houses. Finding reasonably priced housing is one of the main problems on the island right now, as speculation has driven prices higher than ever.